Secret court hearings that could end up costing Oklahoma City. Fox 25's Phil Cross was the first to tell you who was at the secret proceedings as part of the Daniel Holtzclaw appeal.
But what does that mean for the case? And what does it mean for taxpayers who are footing the bill for both prosecuting the former cop and defending the city against civil rights complaints? Tonight, Phil Cross gives us a closer look at a Fox 25 follow-up.
In prison for what is likely the rest of his life, former police officer Daniel Holtzclaw maintains he did not sexually assault, rape, or do anything inappropriate with the women he was convicted of assaulting during traffic stops. He's appealing his sentence, but the state has held secret hearings about key information that could impact his freedom. Only no one from his defense team was allowed to attend.
He's on pins and needles. He wants to know, is this good news? Is this bad news? What is it?
Brian Bates is one of Holtzclaw's most ardent defenders. He worked on the case as an investigator and now operates a website in defense of Holtzclaw.
I don't care what side you come down on whether or not Daniel is guilty or innocent. What people need to be aware of is this could happen to them eventually. They could find themselves in the crosshairs. There could be secret hearings going on. There could be things being discussed that are going to affect your and your family's life, and you're not going to have any input.
Thanks to surveillance video from outside the secret hearing, we know the two-day proceeding included a team of prosecutors and the deputy police chief, along with Oklahoma City's chief civil attorney. The city attorney said he wouldn't comment on his role at the hearing, whether he was there to testify or acting as an attorney for the police department. The victims in Holtzclaw's case are suing Oklahoma City, which means the hearing could either hurt that case or create new legal problems for OKC if it is focused on wrongdoing to Holtzclaw, which is what those who have followed the case the closest believe.
If you're asking me to guess, I would say this is obviously in Daniel's favor. The prosecution has circled the wagons. I can guarantee you, if any of this information was negative to Daniel, they'd have sent it out in a press release.
But even for those convinced of the criminal conviction, there was another party kept out. The victims, who say they were sexually assaulted, were also not allowed inside that hearing that could impact their lives. And the public, which pays for everything from the prosecution to the light bills that keep the courtroom illuminated, is left in the dark. Phil Cross, Fox 25 News.
The Oklahoma County DA's office has not returned our multiple messages about the case, but in the past they have told us the new information has nothing to do with allegations of wrongdoing by the DA's office or prosecutors involved in the case.